Hey everyone, this is Darren from Restage, and I wanted to share with you a new feature that we're bringing to Restage that might help you create your campaigns and find the right influencers more efficiently and a little bit faster. So today we're introducing a new AI-powered influencer recommendation and campaign creation tool available to all users and super easy to use. Let's walk through the demo and show you how it works. So when you log in and you come to this screen, the marketplace screen, you'll be able to see this new button here, Find with AI. And when you click on that, you're going to run through a series of prompts that ask you questions about your product and your campaign to better create a campaign construct for you, a write-up that you will be able to share with your influencers, plus influencer recommendations that align with your brand and your campaign objectives. Let's get started. So, who are we speaking to today? We're launching something new, this hypothetical campaign. We want to share it on Instagram and TikTok, and you click next at this point. We want it to be a video, and we're targeting persons 25 to 54. I'm flexible because I think the product is for both men and women, and we really want to work with nano and micro influencers. We expect to have this campaign started in a couple weeks, and we don't want to spend more than $2,000 on each creator. Here, you're able to share a bit more information about your campaign, anything you want to share with the AI to give it more context so it better recommends influencers and is better able to craft your campaign documents. I've prepared something quite simple. We're launching a new healthy snack product targeting young people and middle-aged persons. Super simple, and it doesn't need to be this long. You could put in as much or as little as you'd like to see the outcome. And all you do next is press this, and the AI will generate your campaign brief as well as give you influencer recommendations. And this takes just a couple seconds. It'll be done in, well, it's almost done now. And then you're taken to your campaigns where it's written a full campaign brief for you based on the information you've shared. So it's called Healthy Snacking, Real Benefits. And it details a campaign summary, your campaign goals, target audience, key messaging, creative direction, deliverables, and timeline. And all of this can be shared directly to influencers on the Restage platform. Obviously, this is editable, so you can go to the top and click Edit Campaign and change any of the information here. Make it more specific, change things that you don't think align to your vision of your campaign. But most of the work is done for you. It gives you a solid base to flesh out the campaign from. Then you click View AI Suggested Creators, and this will generate the creators that the platform thinks is aligned to your product. And we might see those micro nano influencers that we identified here with Kyra, with Katie, with Coach Jonathan, with Anicia. All of these are health and fitness identified. They have their small following. Here you can see their engagement rate, their total following. And to be able to work with them, all you need to do is click Invite to Campaign. And the platform will send the campaign brief directly to this influencer for them to accept. At that point, you can negotiate on rates, you can confirm their participation in the campaign, and before you start, you make a payment. But the heavy lifting is done for you. Your campaign is created, it's a perfect write-up to share with influencers, and there are influencer recommendations attached. Now, we've allowed the AI to generate many recommendations. So even if you don't like the top picks that have justification generated by the AI under them as to why it chose these influencers, there are many more underneath that you can also explore to be part of your campaign.